Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is Sudoku Heavy. In today's newspaper of Friday, yes, it's Friday, December the 30th, 2022. 2 days to go. Then the year 2022 will be ended. Yes, will be ended. Yes. Terrible year, 2022. Terrible year. Anyway, second regular puzzle, a Sudoku Heavy. We have a Sudoku Heavy here. The first puzzle I have already solved is the Sudoku Light. So it's time now for the Sudoku Heavy. And this will be number. This will be number, let me zoom this out. 5710. Yeah, 5710. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be a 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 20 to 30 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. All right, 4 twos. We have here 1, 3, 4 fours. All right. 1, 5, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 3 nines. So the 2s and the 4s are in majority. Can I start with a 2? Well, that's the question. 2, 2. 2, 2. No, I believe I need more information. No. Can I start with a 4? Yeah, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be there, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. Here or there. We see our 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. No, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Cannot continue with the 2 now. We have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 8 and a 5. We have 8 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 8 and 5 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. 8, 8, 8. So the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay, 6, 6, 6, 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 6 in the third column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Right, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. All right. 9, 9, 9, 9. Think. 1, 1. 2, 3, 7, 9, and 1. 9 and 1. This should be the 7. Yeah. Look. 3 missing numbers in this big square here. We have the 8 and the 5 as a pair. The other 3 numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So the 3, again, the 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. That means 2 numbers left in the middle row, 2, 3, 7. That means the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 8 are left. 3 and 8. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 3 here. Double 8 there. The 8 should be in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. And that box should be an 8. 8 and a 5, okay. 5, 5. So 1 number left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 5. Wait. Come on. 2, 6, 5, 2, 5. Overlooked. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Could be everywhere. 9. Yeah. 9 and a 1. Overlooked this 9. 1 and then 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Overlooked. So 9 here, 9 there. 1 here, and a 6. No, we already have a 6 here. Yeah. Well, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there in the last row. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. The 5 in the first column. The 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So this 6 can be here. 3, 3. Alright. 6, 6. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes at there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5. Then 2, 8, 2, 8, 6. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers in the last column are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the second row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 8. Alright. Then 5 and 3. Going for the 9s. Well, 8 and 7. Well, 8, 7 and 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this row. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. So we have a 9 in this row. The 9 in the... 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, there are only 3 places left for the 9. So we here, or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here 9 in that column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Wait, I want the 2. Can I finish with the 2? No. 2, 2, 2. Well, here can be 2, 2, 2. Yeah, 2 in the last row. 2 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 8 and 7. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle, second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about this box? 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, I believe. No, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 now in the third row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the second row. From the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 8 and 3, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have a 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, so faster than 20 minutes, and definitely a 2 stars. And I'm pleased with the time, so I'm like this puzzle. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in the evening or in the afternoon, late in the afternoon. I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.